Okay, we're gonna check out TJ Maxx and then we're gonna head over to Home Goods afterwards, see what they got going on. Alright, we're gonna head into Home Goods, see what they got today. right, guys, today's video, or this part of it, is me showing you all the stuff that I've shopped with, or I mean that I've hauled, and now what I've done with it. So please stay tuned and enjoy my coffee bar and 2-tier tray. Okay guys, this is my coffee bar. I told you I would share it with you. So these are the mugs you saw me haul and show you. This is what I have on the first rack. This is a new one, America the Beautiful, 4th of July and Freedom. And then here I have my stirs for my coffee, which are straws. I love using those. And what I did there was just take, I had some wooden stars. Those were from Target. These are those coffee skinny syrups I told you about. They're really good. Just so you know, those lights I believe were from the Dollar Tree. You know, that's always a great little find. And when you come down, I just have a lantern with a candle in there. These little firecrackers, those are from Target Dollar Spot. My Land of the Free cup. And then when you come down, I just have my little coffee sign, and that little cup is from Hobby Lobby. And just so you guys know, a quick, easy idea for decorations is to put window decals. I've done this for years, and I know a lot of other DIYers and things like that does that, but that is what this is. So that is a Rae Dunn jar, and I just turned it around. It's from Easter, and I stuck a window decal on it. Same thing with that star. And then down here is my creamer, my Rae Dunn creamer, and I did the same thing. And those are some of my extra mugs. That's where I hold my K-cups. My Rae Dunn sugar container. But yeah, I think it turned out really well. I hope you guys enjoy this and it gives you some inspiration. That's the sign I'm gonna redo and put coffee. I think I might, with my Cricut, put Jamie's coffee bar. My husband will be thrilled that I actually am using it. Alright, now I'm going to show you the tier tray that I have done, and then that will be it. Alright, so this is the tier tray that I usually have on my center island. That is that ice cream. So I just stuck flowers in there, but I'm going to make ice cream to put in there, fake ice cream. I love using these little Dollar Tree jars, and these are just Jelly Bellies, so you can go in there red, white, and blue. And then that's that little pitcher that I bought, that Terremoto. I always say that wrong. And what I did here is to make it look kind of like fireworks and things like that. Those little stars, I just put on. Okay, so this, what I was trying to make it look like there was fireworks coming out, but those are skewers. And then I took the little Dollar Tree stars and stuck them on there. These are just little pom-poms. And greenery, you know I love my greenery. And this little bird, I'm not sure where I got him from. I'll be honest, I kind of forgot. But that's this side. Now on this side, I have another little ice cream bowl, and I just stuck some roses in there. my little Target house. I think I may put some little lights in here too, fairy lights, to just kind of light it up. Over here I have my Target vase with a little daisy that has stars on. Those were from the Dollar Tree last year. There's my bowls, and I learned a little trick from why can't I think about putting the rice. If I think of the person, I'm gonna say, because I know you guys all know probably who I'm talking about, but this way they can stack, and then you can just keep reusing the rice. These little firecrackers I don't remember where I got those, but I just kind of tied them together. This little sign is from Hobby Lobby. And then I have some more of those wooden stars down there. I think it turned out really pretty. It might be a little full or too much for some, but I love it. Just love it. And I hope it brings you guys inspiration and you guys can have fun with yours. So I'm going to say farewell. And you guys have a great day. Make sure you're be kind to one another. Love one another. And I'll see you next time.